Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in bright white. It looks great. I love the hood on these Sports. They look fantastic. You do have the white grille up front with the Ram badging, and you do have your parking sensors with your white bumper. You do also have bifunction halogen projector style headlights right there with your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side we have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Still tons of tread left on them, and the rims look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals on them, and coming all the way around to the back we do have a 5-foot box. You have your 4x4 badging, as well as you have your backup camera there and your park sensors with the dual exhaust. They look awesome. Lots of room back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. It looks great. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you and all started up. You don't have to go outside in your pajamas. Now, if it is locked and you do have the key on your person, you can put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. You do also have the button there. It has the proximity keyless entry, very useful. Now on the door here you have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, as well as this guy does bring in your mirrors. You have a little bit of chrome accenting here, a handle here, and some storage, as well as some storage down here with a water bottle holder. Very nice interior as well. The leather feels fantastic. I like the little accents on it. Stands out very nicely. You also have the controls over your seats, so backward and forward, and the lumbar support, as well as the tilt there. And then right over here we do have the controls over our lights. We have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you press in you got your fog lights there. Then you also have the controls over your turning signals, your windshield wipers, and your high beams right there. Okay, keys are in the cup holder. All we gotta do is put our foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature, battery, and oil there. Also tells us what direction we're facing, the channel we're on, the temperature outside, and how many kilometers. Only 1,300, not very many at all. Now you can change that around a bit. You can go from that to your vehicle info, your fuel economy, your trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow, you got your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer that is controlled from your steering wheel here with your Bluetooth commands up there, horn in the center, and your cruise control options. Around the back of the steering wheel right here we have a volume up and down button with the source selector in the center. You have the same one on the other side for your channel. Down here we do have our gear shift, so we also have our 4-wheel auto, lock, low, 2-wheel, and then when you shift into reverse you have that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Now we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect, so you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media devices if you have one hooked up through USB, Bluetooth, aux cord, or any of those guys. Now you also have your controls over heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, same for the other side, your mirror dimmer, backup camera. You got your Uconnect apps right here. Then you also have your climate control, dual climate system for you and your passenger. You also have your navigation. If you hit view map, you can see we are on Recreation Place. Then you also have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Down here we do have our volume control, our screen off, our hazard lights, back button, and our browser over there. AC, circulation, heat up and down. You got the power, off, auto. Then you also have the front and rear defrost. Down here you do have your trailer brake. You have your traction control, tow and haul mode, front and rear park assist. Then you also have your heated and vented seats there and heated steering wheel. You have some storage here, lots of storage in here with a place to put your phone. Then right over here we do have our cup holders. And we also have our armrest, which doubles as a storage container with some coin holders. And we also have two USBs and an aux cord plug in there. Close that guy up, lift this up, you got lots of room just underneath there. Then over here we do also have a top layer glove box and a bottom layer glove box there. Up here we do have the controls over our sunroof. We have our little window in the back there. And we also have a universal garage door opener. There's our sunroof. Looks fantastic. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have that same chrome accenting. You have the control over your windows, handle here, storage here, and more just down there. Looks fantastic back here. It is the leather interior as well. Looks awesome, feels great. You can also fold this guy down right here, and you do have some cup holders as well as your armrest. Then you can fold this right up like this, and you do have some storage just underneath here, right in here. Looks great. Now you can also fold these down just like this, and you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of. On the other side you do have a subwoofer and lets you blast some music. Sounds really nice. Under the floor mats here, you do also have some storage on the other side as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.